It began with whispers carried on the wind, tales of massive wings blotting out the sun and fiery breath scorching the earth. The people of Emirates dismissed these as mere myths until the day the sky darkened with the arrival of the first dragon. With a thunderous roar, the dragon descended upon a peaceful village, its scales gleaming like molten gold in the sunlight. Buildings crumbled, forests ignited, and the once serene landscape was engulfed in chaos as the dragon unleashed its wrath. Panic spread like wildfire as news of the dragon's rampage reached neighboring towns and cities. Citizens fled in terror, markets were abandoned, and the once bustling streets became deserted alleys haunted by the echoes of destruction. In the face of this unprecedented threat, the emir issued a decree calling for unity and courage. He tasked his most skilled warriors and mages with confronting the dragons, knowing that the fate of Emirates hung in the balance. Armed with enchanted weapons and ancient spells, the brave few set out to confront the dragons. The clash of steel and the crackle of magic filled the air as they engaged in a battle that shook the very foundations of the land. The dragons' power was unmatched, their flames incinerating everything in their path. Villages were reduced to ash, farmlands turned to scorched earth, and rivers ran black with soot as the chaos of their rampage spread far and wide. Amidst the chaos, tales of heroism and sacrifice emerged. Warriors gave their lives to protect the innocent, mages stood firm against the onslaught, and ordinary citizens banded together to defend their homes and loved ones. As the dragons asserted their dominance, fear gripped the hearts of the people. They realized that this was not a passing storm but a new era where the dragons reigned supreme, their presence casting a shadow over the once vibrant land. The emir convened the council of elders, seeking wisdom and guidance in these dark times. Scholars delved into ancient tomes, seers scoured the stars for answers, and warriors honed their skills for the inevitable showdown. As the dragons continued their relentless assault, desperate measures were taken. Enchanted barriers were erected around cities, alliances were forged with neighboring kingdoms, and every resource was marshaled for the upcoming battle. The final battle loomed on the horizon, a clash of titans that would determine the fate of Emirates. Warriors and mages gathered under the banner of the emir, their resolve unyielding as they prepared to confront the dragons one last time. The skies erupted in a symphony of fire and steel as the forces of Emirates clashed with the dragons. Spells of ice countered flames of fury, swords clashed against scales, and the fate of a nation hung in the balance with every strike. In the midst of the chaos, a glimmer of hope emerged. A brave few ventured into the dragons' lairs, seeking to understand their motives and find a path to peace. What they discovered would change the course of the conflict. Some dragons, touched by empathy and the memory of a time when humans and dragons lived in harmony, chose to ally with the people of Emirates. They turned against their brethren, aiding in their defeat and ushering in a new era of cooperation. With the dragon's threat quelled, Emirates rose from the ashes like a phoenix. Cities were rebuilt, forests rejuvenated, and a newfound spirit of unity and resilience permeated the land. The dragons, once symbols of destruction, became guardians of peace, their wings spanning a sky no longer darkened by fear.